Why did 1,000 developers star this code review tool in a single night? Because it's Alibaba's battle-tested secret sauce. Hi, I'm Jason and I'll be your host today on GitHub Trending Jason. We have a massive lineup this week that feels like a glimpse into 2027. From autonomous agents that handle your reviews to high-performance local graphs, the level of engineering being shared for free right now is honestly staggering. I've spent all morning digging through these repos so you don't have to. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is Open Code Review by Alibaba. This isn't just another AI wrapper. It's a Go-based hybrid architecture that's been battle-tested at the kind of scale most of us only dream of. It combines deterministic pipelines with an LLM agent to give you precise line-level comments. It's already crushing it with over 12,000 stars total. The wild part? It has built-in fine-tuned rules for thread safety and XSS. It works with both OpenAI and Anthropic, so you aren't locked into one provider. I love that it focuses on serious security issues like SQL injection, while keeping the review conversational. Imagine having a senior engineer who never sleeps and knows every security vulnerability. That's what this feels like. It's perfect for teams that need to maintain high standards without slowing down deployment. Next, we have Superpowers by Obra. This hit over 260,000 stars. Yes, you heard that right. It's a complete software development methodology designed specifically for your coding agents. Instead of just jumping into code, the agent steps back and asks what you're actually trying to build. It forces a spec out of you first. It's basically a framework to make AI act like a pro. It emphasizes red-green testing and keeping code dry. If you've ever been frustrated by an AI writing messy, unorganized code, this methodology is the solution. It's essentially a brain for your agent. You can plug this into Claude Code Cursor or even Gemini CLI. It turns an enthusiastic but messy AI into a disciplined engineer. Honestly, this might change how I use AI forever. Okay, this next one is just cool. BitChat by permissionlesstech is a decentralized peer-to-peer messaging app with total IRC vibes. It uses Bluetooth mesh for local chat and Nostr for global reach. No accounts, no phone numbers, just pure privacy. It's trending with nearly 1,700 stars just today. My favorite feature? The triple tap emergency wipe that clears all your data instantly. It's built with Swift for iOS and macOS. It even has location-based channels using geohash coordinates. If the internet goes down, you can still chat with anyone nearby using the Bluetooth LE mesh network. The routing is intelligent too. It automatically picks the best transport method. This is the ultimate side group chat for the privacy-conscious developer. Plus, it's public domain, which is incredibly rare for a project this polished. Moving on to creative tools, check out palmier-pro. This is a macOS video editor built from the ground up for AI. It's written in Swift and requires Apple Silicon to do its magic. It's gaining massive traction with 12,000 stars. It integrates deeply with Claude and MCP to help you edit via natural language. Think of it as a creative partner that understands video context. The UI is clean and native. It doesn't feel like a bloated legacy editor. It feels like what would happen if VS Code and Final Cut had a baby that was born in the AI era. For creators who find traditional editing tedious, this is a game changer. You can spend more time on the story and let the AI handle the heavy lifting of cutting and identifying scenes. Now, if you're tired of Webflow or WordPress, you need to see Instatic. This is an open source, agentic visual CMS that lives in a single bun server. It ships incredibly clean static pages. It's all TypeScript, and it's built for developers who want to own their data. You get a visual editor, a content engine, and a publisher all in one. It's already sitting at over 4,000 stars. The coolest thing? The output code is so clean you can actually read it in ViewSource. No more div soup from visual builders. It's lightweight, fast, and remarkably easy to self-host. Whether you're building a personal blog or a company site, this gives you the power of a visual builder without the vendor lock-in. It's a massive win for the open web and the Bun ecosystem. For the data nerds, Chat2DB is blowing up. It's an AI-driven database client that supports over 30 different databases. We're talking MySQL, PostgreSQL, and even Snowflake or BigQuery. With 26,000 stars, it's quickly becoming the hottest SQL client. You bring your own AI model to generate, explain, and even optimize your SQL queries using natural language. The interface is slick, and it runs locally on your machine. It's a huge step up from tools like dbeaver or datagrip if you want integrated AI support without a complex setup. If you struggle with complex joins or just want to quickly visualize your data, this tool is a lifesaver. It turns natural language into high-performance SQL in seconds. Definitely worth a download. Next is ECC, the Agent Harness Performance Optimization System. This is essentially an operating system for your AI agents. It provides skills, instincts, and memory for tools like Claude Code and Cursor. It has over 230,000 stars and is clearly solving a major pain point. It's all about making agents more reliable and secure. It even includes a dedicated research-first development framework. Why do you need it? Because it bridges the gap between a raw LLM and a productive developer tool. It's the infrastructure that makes agentic AI actually usable for real software engineering. The repo is packed with guides on how to optimize your agent's performance. If you're building in the AI space, you simply can't ignore what's happening here. It's a massive community-driven project. Finally, we have Code Review Graph. This is a local first code intelligence graph. It builds a persistent map of your codebase so your AI tools only read what is actually relevant. It's been trending weekly with over 6,500 new stars. It uses TreeSitter for static analysis and creates a knowledge graph. This drastically reduces the context window usage and your API costs. The performance gains are real. On large repos, it can cut down the tokens needed for a review by over 70%. It's written in Python and works perfectly with MCP and CLI tools. Stop burning tokens on files that don't matter. This tool makes your AI coding assistant smarter by giving it a better sense of direction. It's the missing piece for large-scale AI repository workflows. That's a wrap for today's trending repos. A huge thank you to the developers and contributors making this possible. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.